The apartment was well decorated and comfortable. The staff were efficient and mostly friendly and helpful. For my purpose, it was excellent as I was close my new workplace and it allowed me an easy commute till I settled in Dubai, also having a cooker and a washing machine.
I love this
and could
place. It's my 4th visit there. It's extremely spacious, clean, and attractive, and the staff are delightful and helpful. It's close to the airport rather than to the sights of the city, which suits me.
Nice apartment but bedroom not spacious. Stayed there for a week in October 2018.
I generally don't take time out to write reviews or complain about 1 or 2 night stays, but this was a very unpleasant experience. The reasons being, 1. I had booked the room for 2 persons on booking.com.
I visited this property 6 years ago. It was quite new, clean, and I was really impressed at then and had a quite positive experience. It was a shock to see how old this property has become with only 6 years, due to the lack of maintenance and uncleanness.
Sadly, I didn't have time for pics. The room balcony lock was broken. The white bathtub was blackened and broken. The dryer and wash machine room was missing iron stand, didn't have the iron. Had to ask again. The oven was rusted. All of the appliances were in poor condition.